Sunny Bonani, my board members, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, first things first, press like and leave a comment. It's free. Akukuthathele lutho nje. Share nje like if you can't comment, just to support the channel. So, without taking anything away from Kehlelezi, but we know him that he likes capitalizing on things. It was just his like Zanele Mbogezi had cancer, and it's very rare for cancer people to survive. There are cancer survivors, but I think if you found your cancer at an early stage, then you could survive. But at the end of the day, you end up dying. So she had a very crucial cancer, and looks like ukuthi uyithole at a very late stage, because honestly speaking, this thing happened this year and she is gone this year. Yeah, because I remember thinking, I think Kali Manjo cousin, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay, well, is it like okay, sharp anyway? So okay, Khalezeke kwathe njwade addiction nje. Kushona ubheka khunu wasiya professor wathi hayi khona omunye ushonayo wathi yabona ke manje sizongalali ke uphehlelezi ethina wakubona ukushona kwaZanele. Zanele had cancer, for crying out so loud. It's cancer. But ake uzweleke ukhehlelezi
uNkulunkulu kimi right now njengoba usesigodlweni uNkulunkulu vula Ukhozi FM. Ngithi Nkosi waye kufanele ngivule Ukhozi FM. Uthi uJehova kimi vula Ukhozi FM. Ngithi Nkosi ngilivulile ngizolivulelana. Uthi I want you to prophesy. But mau profeta ngalesiya station soKhozi FM. Ngibone this year idumbu ezimbili. I saw 2 people dying in the station. But I saw already, I said, God, it happened already. Ushonile umuntu omunye okhosini this year. Uthi uNkulunkulu tell them ukuthi there is 2 more this year abazoshona. Ukhona lo moya okumele uyothandazelwa okhosini.